Viewers once again announce ke molaga channel or itu notun update kura video welcome kura channel dia ase aji to hole ekdam sensitive topic opore aro viewers kan amnan kibi ekta khobor janai dia nisna Meghalaya de posumdin Thursday din 26th of December 2014 de ekta Hindu manubra Christian kangi insult gura itu opore ekta tuida kotha kole itu video logi na hes unai sabte Meghalaya laga East Khasi Hill de thaka ekta pusti Maulinong kuntu Asia de sabse cleanliness pusti ase etu laga church de ekta social media influencer talaga naam do hole Akash Sarkar guna thakje Instagram user taibra church de ahigena without any taking permission kun brabi permission na loigena sita church laga pulpit te chaigena tai tade manuhan pray guna thakise tade chaigena dai Jai Sri Ram slogan bidu koise aro dai Hindu khan laga kana tahan laga temple de tahan worship koradam de ka kana do etu church de ka thakise ena go habra itia Meghalaya police khan bra tai laga opore FIR kurigina ase to itia tai kinaga Jai Sri Ram nohole edu Hindu khan laga rituals kana khan kinaga kurise short video clip ti announce aro itia Meghalaya de alag societies khan bra aro alag organizations khan bra aro Christian manu khan bra tai laga opore we've
come to file an FIR because just day before yesterday I came across one video, a reel made by one person in Maulinong, and it is a very disturbing reel. It shows this person, I think he's a tourist. He's walking into the Church of Epiphany in Maulinong. He films himself walking in. He films himself inside the church walking to the altar area, taking the microphone and then shouting Jai Sri Ram, and also starting to sing all sorts of Hindu religious songs. And this was a premeditated criminal act.
So viewers, amnandi bhabana guri sabi idia Akash Sarkar taibra church de chaigana without taking any permission tai Jai Sri Ram gurina church ekta de tai inaga halagura monso pratiki baise India ro hole ekta secular state ekta ase kude ekjun religion bra ekjun religion ge respect korole jaga alibi tai bra without taking any permission tai hi do ekta superior manu phapna guri ase pare tai inaga church te jagna sita inaga kora do hole moi sabte thik nai mohan Christian manu khan bra dusra temple te jagna nohole dusra mosque te jagna guru segule do mohan ge ki halat kuri dibo thaga alibi idu Hindu manu ekjun bra social influencer tai do taibra tai inaga church de ahigena ekta church manukhala harmony or peace do phangai dia do hole moi peace against kuri aro Nagaland de YouTubers kiman ase na dusra Indian manu pra janobole edu nisna do mohan share guru lage aro mohan edu nisna ge mohan as a Christian mon video banau lage edu bi naga YouTubers khan ge encourage kora nisna bi edu janai dia ase edia Akash Sarkar ge moi ekta message inaga convey guru monja ase hello dear brother Akash Sarkar, do you think that you are doing a good work? No, you are stupid and as well as an idiot, I should say. Do you think that you are promoting Hinduism? No, you are disrespecting Hindu. A true leader of Hindu will always respect others' religion and will never do as you have done. You are just trying to influence others by making yourself famous. And don't think that you are a true Hindu. You are stupid and idiot. You are disrespecting the Hinduism as well as you are disrupting the peace of Christian people. So I totally against you in this case. So today, in this video, I want to convey a message to you is that please don't do such kind even in the coming days, and don't show off how much you are stupid. Thank you. So Christian Manukan or especially Naga Manukan, idia amnahan ki kwanis na akar sarka kontu social influencer ekta ase taibra Meghalaya de Christian Manukan pray gurina thakadam de edu laga peace or harmony to kinaka havoc kuri dise announce ke aji laga video share kuri diase. Thank you everyone for watching my video.